I'm Miss Fox, and I'm here today to teach you guys just a quick little lesson. So thanks for letting me come in and talk to you guys today. I'm really excited to be here. So first things first, you all see you have a little colored piece of paper that's folded on your desk. So just like I have my name written on here, I'm going to ask you guys to take a minute and just write your name as big as you can on one side, and then flip it over so I can see your name. You can see my name, Miss Fox, and I want to be able to see all your names. So go ahead and do that. Go for it. All right, guys, we're going to keep moving. It's okay if you're not finished. Just put it up when you're done. So we're going to be talking about verbs today. You like verbs? Me too. So I want to see a show of hands who all knows what a verb is or has heard of it before. Everyone. Awesome. I knew you guys were going to. So we're going to be specifically talking about action verbs today. So we're going to identify, use, and act out action verbs. So we're going to do a little fun activity after we review it, and it's going to be fun. So action verbs, you know, are used to describe things that happen. To find action verbs, we're going to look for words that tell what something or someone is doing, will do, or has done. So to find action verbs, we're looking for what someone is doing, will done, or has done. So my first example, Miss Fox is talking to the fence. So can anyone tell me what Miss Fox is doing right now? Stephanie. Talking. So can anyone tell me then what my action verb would be? Melanie? So what is someone, me, Miss Fox, doing right now? Talking. Great. So that's our action verb. So let's keep going and do the next one. Can we all say out loud together what this one is? Talk. Well, we just said it. Okay. Next one. Run. Okay, so Miss Fox is running. So can anyone tell me what now my action verb for the next sentence is? I can't see your name. What's your name? Jefferson.
Run.
Yep. So my action verb is running. We're going to move on to our little activity. So first I'm going to go over the directions. So first step is Miss Fox, me, will read a sentence out loud with an action verb. And then the second thing that's going to happen is you're going to think, what is the verb? And then the third thing that's going to happen is we're all going to act it out together. Okay, so the first step, Miss Fox will read a sentence out loud. Second, you'll think to yourself, what is the verb? And then third, what are we going to do? We can all just say it out loud. Act it out. Awesome. Okay, and then there's a couple rules with this activity too. So when we stand up and act all these verbs out, we're going to make sure, number one, we stay in our own space. And number two, we use our inside voices. So what's number one? Jasmine.
We stay in our space.
Perfect. Number two, Alexa. Or, sorry. Number two, inside voices. Okay, so let's all stand up. Now remember, after I say the sentence, you're going to listen for what the verb is. So the first sentence is, I swam all summer long. Alexa? So I swam all summer long. So let's act it out. I swam all summer long. Now the next one, when you hear the verb that you think it is, just go ahead and start acting it out, okay? Second sentence. Superman was flying in the sky. Superman was flying in the sky. Awesome. Okay, should we do one more?
Yes.
Yeah? My mom danced in the kitchen. My mom. Dance. Awesome. Okay, one more. This is going to be kind of difficult. I wrote a letter to Santa. I wrote a letter to Santa. Awesome. Okay, let's all sit back down. Check our stars. Good job. Okay, now when you guys walked in, I had a sheet face down on the desk. So go ahead and turn that sheet over for me. This is your exit ticket out of this lesson. So we're going to practice a little more with action verbs. Can I have a volunteer? Kaden. Underneath, oh, no, you're fine. Just stay seated. Underneath, circle the action verb in each sentence. I'm going to have Kaden read out the first sentence, number 1.
The dog sleeps all day.
Awesome. So let's all take a second and circle the action verb that we think is in that sentence. Oh, you don't have one, sorry. All right, guys, how are we feeling? Good? Okay, thumbs up if you think we know what an action verb is. Thumbs to the side if we're confused. No one's confused. Some people. Thumbs down if we don't know what's going on. Okay, we mostly got thumbs up. So let's go over it again. So the first sentence is, my dog sleeps, the dog sleeps all day. Can I have a volunteer, a new volunteer maybe, to tell me what the action verb that they circled? Darla. Sleeps. So just as we did, I swam, and swam was our action verb, the dog sleeps. So that's someone who is doing something. The dog is sleeping. Okay, let's go on to the next one. If you guys want to, someone read the sentence out loud for me, and then we'll circle. Mateo.
The children screamed during the scary movie.
Awesome. Okay, so this one is a little bit more tricky. But think again. Someone or something that is doing something, will do something, or has done something. That's what we're going to look for the action verb. So let's take a second and try to circle that action verb. Awesome. I see you guys are getting started. Music on. Okay, let's have a new volunteer to help. Juliana or Juliana?
Yeah.
Juliana. Scream. Awesome. Can you tell us why you circled scream? Action that the children are doing. Good job. Awesome. Okay, number 3, we want to move on. Darlene, you want to read it for us? Pizza?
The pizza cookies cook slowly in the brick.
Okay, awesome. So the pizza cooks slowly in the brick oven. So now that one's different, and that's something that something is doing. So let's all try to circle the action verb in that sentence. Darla? Ready to tell us?
The action verb is slowly.
Slowly. See, that one's kind of tricky. So the pizza wasn't doing anything slowly, but it was cooking. The pizza was cooking. So that's the action verb. Alexa. Cooks. So it's a little bit confusing when it's something instead of someone, but the pizza was cooking. So that's the action that the pizza was doing. Stephanie? Can you read the next one? Sure. Okay, so let's move on to number 4.
The students ran around the playground.
So the students ran around the playground. So if we remember earlier, Miss Fox was running. So let's all try to circle the action verb in that sentence. Zaria? Zaria, sorry.
I think the verb is ran.
Ran? Awesome. So the students ran. Good job. Okay, let's all do the last one. I'm just going to read it out loud so we can all do it. We all sang songs around the campfire. We all sang songs around the campfire. Go back to stars when everyone's done, so I can see. Okay, let's have a volunteer to tell us. Joshua?
I think the action verb is sang.
Sang? Awesome. So we all sang songs around the campfire. Okay, so now what I'm going to have you do is go to the second side and use that space to create a sentence with an action verb of your own. At the bottom, in the pink square, I put a couple of words that could help you get started on writing a sentence. So go ahead and take a second to think about an action verb that you would do and write a sentence.
Do we only write one verb of them?
Just use one verb and create a sentence with it. And you don't have to use those, but I just put those there for just to look at if you're a little bit confused. Joshua? How do you spell cleaver? Cleaver. C-L-E-A. Oh, clever. Is that what you're?
No, cleaver.
Cleaver? What kind of sentence? What were you using that in a sentence?
I threw the cleaver.
I threw the cleaver. Okay. C-L-E-A. It's kind of like cleaner, and then just change the one letter. So it's C-L-E-A-V-E-R. It's a good sentence. What would your action verb be in that sentence, Joshua?
Threw.
Through. Great. Aiden? Oh, the butterfly. We'll talk about it after we're done, okay? Does anyone want to read their sentence out loud? It's okay if you're not done. I just want to know if anyone wants to share. Angelica?
I swam in the pool for 10 minutes.
Awesome. So what's your action verb?
My action verb is swim.
Swam. Yeah, just like we did earlier. Great. A new friend. Alexa?
I throw the ball to my brother.
Great. And what's the action verb on here?
Throw.
Throw. Awesome. Emberly? Dance to the song, just like we did earlier. So what's our action verb on that?
Dance.
Dance. Okay.
I screamed when they found me.
You what?
I screamed.
I screamed when they found me. Okay. So what's the action verb on that? Just so everyone knows. Scream. Awesome. Okay, Juliana, you want to be our last person to say it? You spin around. Awesome. So what's your action verb? Spin. Great. We'll do one more. Darling.
I will jump in the playground.
You will jump in the playground. So what's your action verb?
Jump.
Jump. Great. Okay. You guys did an awesome job. So thank you for letting me teach you about action verbs. And now let's all talk together one more time so we know what an action verb is and you can go back over it. Can anyone tell me what an action verb is? Darla.
An action verb is
What does it tell us?
that it tells us that you move.
You move. So it tells us what someone is doing, or maybe what they have done, or maybe what they're going to do. Great. So an action verb is something that tells us what someone or something is doing, has done, or will do. Great job, guys. Thank you.
All right, Racketeers, go ahead and